So today I'm taking us through my daily routine vlog. So let's get started. First thing to do is time to wake up and start the day with some stretches. It is important to get the blood flowing and feel energized. After that, I wash my face. And after, I brush my teeth. And now it's time to hang up my clothes under the sun. Sun drying not only saves energy but also helps to naturally disinfect and freshen up the clothes. After that, I take a bath and later, it's time for breakfast. I like to start my day with a simple breakfast. And now, it's time to get ready for the day. A little skincare routine. It makes us feel confident and makes you pretty and ready to take on the day. School. And now, I am here in GHCSC Tumingag campus because we have an ROTC graduation. When I go home, I next up to tackle some work, whether it's studying and answering some activities that given to our instructor because staying productive is a key. After I study, I go to the bed and relax and feel happy. And they stay. We are performing our PES as self-defense.
Guys, it's me, Helen Tamagas, a day with my vlog, and now I just wake up. And then, after folding my blanket, I take a bath. After taking a bath, I brush my teeth. And after that, after brushing my teeth, I usually plancha my uniform and wear it. After that, I usually cooking my breakfast, and my breakfast for today is jackfruit, ginisang langka nila. Langka with tinapa. voila! It's done. And now, I am going to take my breakfast.
Thank you for watching.
Hi guys. Welcome to my guys. Aday taron guys. There is sa among house. Karon inyo adiyan vlogger of the day si Mr. Kilohano. Together with my family. Hey, psst. I'm here, baby. Look. Oh, say smile. Say hi. Na nga, ako na di ay ang future tindero ko. No? Hmm? Paday niya to ang daily routine guys. Magbantay o tindahan. Then, lay baby. Psst. Lay baby. Uy. Baby. Ay. Feel man isa tong daily routine. No? Feel ya ka sa mong daily routine, no? Bantay baby. Bantay bata. 163. No? Margin na itong daily routine ng taon. Bibi no? Kaon. Lingkod. Tulog din niya. No? Paiso kayo ng mga bata.
163 kaon.
Huwag pagin yung mama.
Wala lo nito.
Mana ka? Okay. Palutuon po dahil nila guys. Kailan na sa itong daily routine. Magluto sa ta guys. Hey guys. Luto na tarong guys. And here is our niluto. So makita guys. Nikit na yun. Siya makita. Kaya na lang guys. Yung mga on. Kasi lang sa daily routine. O na. Ngayon. Mga on sa data guys. So, may palit guys. Lagi di kita yung kon. Wala rin tagkaon guys. So, back to work. Lazada. Hi guys. Gabi na dyan. Ano itong buhaton karon? Hey guys, time check tayo. Alas 10 na sa gabi. Manira na ta o matulog. Good night guys.
So when I wake up in the morning, I forgot to fold my bed, but I fold it before I go outside. And then my second thing to do is get the motorcycle outside in the house because I park it inside the house. So that's why I get outside so that I can use it in my daily life. And then my next thing to do is to wash my face because it is so haggard and oily, and it has a dust in my face, so that I can wash every morning. And that's my daily routine every time I wake up in the morning, so that I can feel to my face that the freshness. And that's it. And after washing my face, um I will do a or I will put deodorant into my underarm, so that I can smell bad when I am going to school. And the next thing is I am preparing my shoes and my socks to use because I am going to school and to have a good look. And I am comfortable using shoes rather than slippers. And that's it. Enjoy watching until the end.
Hi guys, ay naadi ko diri madto ko sa gym para bulantag ko interpurok nga liga sa Dumingag diri interpoblasyon ra nga liga. So kani guys is magbadya ko paingon dito. So mao ni guys, ubani ko ninyo na bulantag ko sa dula dito sa gym. So naadi ko diri guys kay nagsukod nga dula sa pag-anin ako hindi naman sa padula kay diri yapon diri sa ako sa bathroom. Idol dre nga si Purok. Mao gyud akong idol mo nung gusto ko iblantaw ani. So mo na ni guys, pagkan ako gikan sa gym. Dili ko kay una na bugo nga maghinlog. Dili ko gawan mo ko. Sa nagmay. Silig po ginagmay. Kasama niya. Mo ba itong gasto pa. O guys, ati ko na ako ginagmay. Para pud nga maganahan natin itong lula. So mukaw ni kayo abuhan guys, karon pigo ko kahinlo sukad nga busy kayo. So nanghalay day ko o ni akong ipangbali akong mga inalay kay nangabalim di paghalay nako. So ay lagay mo pag kuan guys, lanta lang mo sa kubla guys. So ako gibalin kay murag sa basa bigitan sa init guys. Boto sa nila puron guys. Follow ni guys. Balik na ko guys. Okay guys, ako kukuhan ka. Sana mo like istorya guys. Pagkuban din ako video guys. Ikap din ako kung iring. Kaya murag video nagluyaw. Nagniwang yun yung taon kong iring. So thank you guys.